Hey, what's up guys? So most of us on this channel are Merch by Amazon sellers, and I would probably guess that at least 9 out of 10 of us are using the Pretty Merch Chrome extension. And why do we use the Chrome extension? Well, there's a lot of reasons, but probably the main one, or at least one of them, is that we hear the every time we make a sale. And that lets us know in real time, hey, somebody out there liked our t-shirt or our product enough to go ahead and spend their hard-earned cash on it. Now, a lot of us also use our mobile phones all the time. I don't think I'm one of those people. I'm not that much of a fan of using a mobile phone just because I love my desktop computer. But anyways, I'm not hating, all right? A lot of people want the Cha-Ching sound on their phone to let them know, hey, they just sold a t-shirt through Merch by Amazon. And guess what? I just learned yesterday that we can in fact make this happen. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So why don't we get started? Quick reminder, I put together some free resources for you. The first one is my weekly print-on-demand giveaway. You can find a link to that in the description. Also in the description, a link to my 7-day free Merch by Amazon mini course, and of course, also a link to my Amazon Merch Facebook group. All right. So when you go to the Pretty Merch mobile app, you can see the, well, I'm an Android guy, by the way, so I'm on Google Play. The top review says that they're really missing the Cha-Ching notification alert. So they gave it 5 stars, but they're missing the Cha-Ching sound. Well, I'm sure a lot of people just thought, it's too good to be true. I guess I'll just have to keep my laptop around me or my desktop, turn up the speakers really loud so I hear my Cha-Ching and, you know, get that rush of excitement that I just locked in a sale. Well, guess what? We can actually do it on mobile phone. This is not something that I discovered because I'm honestly not on my phone that much. I'm not a big fan of mobile phones, honestly. But anyways, somebody shared this on Facebook and I went ahead and I was like, is this true? They were like, yeah. So I had to go ahead and investigate, and it turns out it is in fact true. I tried it last night, and as you can see here from a screenshot, it did work. So we are going to be able to access our Merch by Amazon data with the Pretty Merch alerts. They come in the form of push notifications that are accompanied by the Cha-Ching sound, and it's a very simple, quick, easy thing to do. So here it is, guys, in order. Whether you're on Google or Android or iOS, guys, just go and download the Yandex browser. I know it at least works on Android. All right, and after you have the Yandex browser installed, then, and I know this is like 3 different screenshots here, so forgive me, but on the first one all the way to the left, open the Yandex browser. And for me, it looked something like that. I had never used it before, but you know, it looks, basically, it honestly looks like a mobile operating system when you open it. It's a little bit weird because it also goes full screen. I don't know if that's like a part of what allows us to actually put a Chrome extension on a mobile browser, because I didn't think that was possible. So there's something unique about the Yandex browser. I didn't go do a bunch of digging or anything like that. But when you open the Yandex browser, there's a little search bar right there in the middle. Go ahead and search for Pretty Merch Chrome extension. And then in search results, the top one should be a link to the Google Chrome web store. It should take you right there to the Pretty Merch Chrome extension that you should be familiar with seeing. And then in the top right corner, go ahead and just click Add to Chrome. Now, I didn't skip any steps. I didn't go and like log into Google. I didn't do creating any accounts. I didn't do anything like that. All right. So I didn't share any information or anything like that. I literally just did what you see right here behind me. Tap once to install Yandex. Tap once to open Yandex. Tap once to search, type in Pretty Merch Chrome extension, tap again to go to the Chrome web store, and then tap one last time to essentially add it to Chrome. Now from there, you have to navigate to merch.amazon.com and log in as you normally would. But once you're logged in, you'll notice that the Pretty Merch Chrome extension is, you know, definitely working. You'll hear the Cha-Ching, you'll see the notifications. For me, I didn't just like sell 63 shirts in one quick sale or anything like that. When I actually like logged in, I had 63 shirts sold so far that day. And this was the first time it had seen those sales on this device. So it said 63 products sold. And that's the push notification that I get on my Android phone. Also, of course, accompanied by the Cha-Ching sound. And no, I won't edit it into this video again because I don't want to trick you guys. Everybody probably thought that first one was a sale. Apologies. Doing that more than once in a video would just be cruel. But I wanted to let you guys know that this works in case there's more people out there that were wondering if it was possible. So that's it for this video. By the way, I just wanted to plug really quickly, since we're talking about like mobile phones, computers, etc. Pushbullet has really honestly changed my life. I feel like I have an edge when it comes to getting information in real time, but like easily digestible. And again, I don't have to sit here and stare at my phone all day to get it first. You know, like anything that can be digested via push notification to my phone, Pushbullet mirrors my phone push notifications to my computer. So also, for instance, when I'm using Pretty Merch on the Yandex browser and it hits me with a pop-up that I just made a sale, well, I see it through Pushbullet on my desktop computer as well, which by the way, I mean, I disabled the Pretty Merch desktop like Cha-Chings, and because when I'm recording videos, that thing would just be playing in the background or popping up in the, you know, so it gets old after a while. But anyways, Pushbullet, guys, there's no affiliate program or anything like that. I'm just showing you Pushbullet because to me, it's been like a significant thing in my life that's helped me in a lot of different ways, including identify like trends and whatnot, and be early to trends, believe it or not. I've shared that story before in the past, but it's helped me make, you know, a couple $1,000 at various points in time on Merch by Amazon as well by just seeing a trend, you know. I mean, there's no guarantee, by the way. It's not like some hidden secret like app that tells you t-shirt trends of the future. Just whatever news you're plugged into, Pushbullet has made it easy to digest tidbits of news, again, via push notifications. So check that out if you're interested. Also, guys, as I sign off of this video, quick reminder, I have a full Merch by Amazon course walking you through how I went from tier 10 to tier 200,000. You can learn more. There is a link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you soon with the new video.